welcome back to the Wild Gut Project. My name's Carrie. This channel is about being vegan while doing the low FODMAP diet for IBS, and it's been a while, so sorry about that. I just needed a bit of a break back in autumn because of work and things, and other things happened. Long story short, I'm back making videos now, so excited to be doing that, and yeah, hope you're all well. This is obviously a difficult time for everyone, and I really hope you're all safe and I hope you're all well. But to kick off making videos again, I've got a recipe for you that is adapted from one I've been making since I was like a wee little child with my mum, because it's so simple and quick. And we've been making it quite a lot recently for those moments when you really want something kind of indulgent or sweet, but you don't have anything in the cupboard. But in 20 minutes you can have these, and we've mostly been able to get these ingredients when we go to the shops. It's a bit hit and miss, but hopefully it's a good one for you wherever you are. So to get started, you're going to want to weigh 5 ounces or 140 grams of self-raising gluten-free flour, and then about 4 ounces or 110 grams of sugar, and popping those into a sieve in a bowl just to get rid of any of those pesky lumps, along with 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda or baking soda, but not baking powder because that is a different thing. Learn from my mistakes. Anyway, saucepan, low heat, we're going to melt 6 ounces of a plant-based margarine, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of golden syrup. You could use maple syrup and it would be lower FODMAP, but because this is like a recipe from my childhood, I don't want to mess with it too much and make it taste totally different. So melting those together, not actually cooking it in any way until it's nice and liquid, and then you're going to want to add in those dry ingredients you weighed out earlier, or realistically a minute ago, and combine it into a smoothish paste. Turn the heat off, and then get yourself 4 ounces of rolled oats. They could be gluten-free if you want this whole recipe to be gluten-free, and just mix those together. The oats need to go in last so it doesn't go soggy. That's why it's second. Anyway, grab a nice heaped teaspoon and make a ball. Put it on those lined baking trays. If you have more baking trays, you could do smaller balls, but they spread out a lot. You pop them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and leave it for about 15 minutes, but keep an eye on them because they go golden quite quickly. And then you want to let them cool down straight away. So put them onto either a cooling rack or out on the surface if you don't have one. And then before you touch them, wait and be patient because they need to kind of solidify. After a few minutes, they should be nice and cool, and you have yourself some lovely cookies, and a quarter of the batch will be a low FODMAP serving, so you can go wild. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the biscuits. I hope you're all well. I hope all the stress of this hasn't made your IBS worse. Yeah, and let me know how you're doing in the comments. If you make the cookies, please Instagram me and stuff or whatever. It's always lovely to see, and I'm excited to kind of get more involved again in the Wild Gut Project things. Yeah, but wherever you are in the world, I hope you're good. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Like that. Hi, random thing at the end of the video. So my lovely boyfriend here, who's I think he featured in some of my videos accidentally, he's using his workshop to make visors to donate to the NHS because for those of our friends who are working as nurses and doctors, they're having to reuse visors and things because there's a shortage of PPE. So we're donating these, and we're doing a GoFundMe to buy the materials to make them, so aiming to make as many as possible. And yes, it'd be really, really nice if you wanted to support this, and I'll link everything below. What hospitals are you donating to?
Well, many hospitals like Royal Free Hospital, St Mary's, Chelsea and Westminster, Homerton University Hospitals, many others. Yeah, all over London basically. Thank you.
Thanks for watching to the end.
Very good.